loaded extra kill, and the ramps and everything are put up in here. See how the ramps are all put up? Process over the last 30-40 years that playfield's been made are the air tools. The air tools, the guns. They set the torque at a certain level, so if people aren't screwing them in, it just puts it right in. It immediately gets flipped over. Now the playfield cable gets assembled into here. This is where it gets soldered on. The cabinet line, these cabinets are routed also in Churchill. I probably have to sleep on it. That's okay, from the line, the playfield comes over here. This is the first level of testing. So pretty much what happens is the playfield gets hooked up to the boards here and to the dot matrix. They go through all the testing modes. One of the testing people takes the pinball and checks all the switches. He also turns it over to check all of the solder connections to make sure all the wires and everything tests out properly. The back box head gets assembled to the cabinet.